how to clean your arteries and prevent heart attacks. With these 5 spices, in today's video, we will explore why arteries become clogged, the warning signs your body may be sending, and, most importantly, the fantastic spices that can help clean your arteries, protect your heart, and prevent heart attacks. Stay with us until the end to learn all the valuable tips for arteries cleansing food. Why is cleaning your arteries so important? Imagine a heavily congested road. Vehicles are stuck, unable to move. Clogged arteries are just like that. When cholesterol builds up on the artery walls, blood flow becomes restricted, significantly increasing the risk of a heart attack. Understanding how to clean your arteries naturally at home can make a huge difference in protecting your health. How can you tell if your arteries are clogged? The most accurate way is to perform a lipid profile test to assess your heart health. However, your body often gives early warning signs. Cholesterol buildup typically causes inflammation in the arteries, leading to dull or sharp pain on the left side of the chest, a symptom you should never ignore. Other signs include shortness of breath or feeling like you can't catch your breath, indicating poor blood flow through the arteries. Additionally, prolonged fatigue, memory problems, or leg cramps could be warnings from your body that your cholesterol levels are higher than usual. What causes arteries to become clogged? The biggest culprit is an unhealthy diet. Our bodies have 2 types of cholesterol: good cholesterol, HDL, and bad cholesterol, LDL. Bad cholesterol sticks to the artery walls, causing blockages, while good cholesterol helps remove bad cholesterol, keeping the cardiovascular system healthy. To protect our hearts, we need to reduce bad cholesterol and boost good cholesterol. What foods clean your arteries? Foods like red meat are a primary source of bad cholesterol, while plant-based diets help lower cholesterol levels. A 2019 study found that people following a plant-based diet reduced their risk of heart attacks by up to 52%. Additionally, refined oils or oils reused for deep frying significantly increase harmful cholesterol levels. Packaged foods containing hydrogenated oils, such as cookies, industrial peanut butter, margarine, mayonnaise, and cheese, are rich in trans fats, a major enemy of your arteries. Furthermore, foods high in refined sugar and white flour spike insulin levels in the body, producing more lousy cholesterol. On top of that, being overweight, leading a sedentary lifestyle, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption only worsen the situation. How to clean arteries and remove bad cholesterol? Naturally, statins are commonly prescribed to control cholesterol levels, but they are only effective if you continue taking them. Unfortunately, they often come with undesirable side effects, such as liver damage, muscle weakness, or reduced sexual function. So why not choose a more natural, healthier, and safer alternative? Experts have researched and proven that certain herbs and spices are incredibly effective in reducing cholesterol levels. In the next section of the video, we'll introduce you to simple and easy-to-implement ways to clean your arteries naturally at home. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any valuable content in the future. Your support motivates us to continue delivering high-quality content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the following video. Natural spices are your perfect companions if you're looking for simple, safe, and effective ways to clean your arteries. Not only are they easy to find and incorporate into your daily meals, but they've also been proven to lower cholesterol, improve blood circulation, and sustainably protect heart health. Let's dive into the top 5 natural spices that can help clean your arteries and keep your heart healthy and strong. 1. How to clean your arteries with turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most remarkable spices for overall health, especially heart health. Its key ingredient, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant proven to support arteries cleansing. Curcumin acts like a guardian for your arteries, reducing inflammation in the arterial walls, a problem often overlooked but a primary cause of cholesterol plaque buildup. In addition to reducing inflammation, Curcumin enhances the function of the endothelial lining inside your arteries, improving blood circulation and, more importantly, preventing the development of cholesterol plaques. This means your arteries stay clearer, reducing your risk of heart attacks or strokes. So, how to clean your arteries naturally at home with turmeric? It's simple. Add turmeric to dishes like soups, stews, or even smoothies. For quicker results, try mixing a warm glass of turmeric water with honey or making a delicious turmeric latte to enjoy every day. With just a tiny amount of turmeric in your diet, you can clean your arteries, boost your immune system, and protect your body from environmental toxins. Simple, yet effective. 2. How to clean your arteries with garlic. Garlic is widely regarded as one of the best superfoods for heart health, particularly its ability to help clean your arteries naturally at home. Its key component, allicin, is a potent compound released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin acts as a warrior, reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, and lowering blood pressure, making it easier for blood to flow freely through your arteries. But garlic's benefits don't stop there. It also helps prevent the formation of plaque on artery walls, a leading cause of blockages and increased risk of heart attacks. Studies have shown that regularly consuming garlic reduces cholesterol levels and boosts your immune system, protecting you from various illnesses. How to use garlic? Eat it raw. Eat 1 clove of raw garlic daily before breakfast. While its flavor may be strong, this is the most effective way to unlock the full power of allicin. Add it to meals. If raw garlic isn't for you, include it in your cooking. Add it to stir fries, roasted dishes, or sauces. It enhances the flavor of your food while offering incredible health benefits. By incorporating garlic into your daily diet, you can effectively clean your arteries and support a healthier heart daily. It's easy, versatile, and packed with benefits, something you don't want to miss. 3. Ginger, a key food for cleaning arteries. Ginger has long been celebrated as an incredible natural remedy, not just for cooking, but also for its decisive role in protecting heart health and helping to clean your arteries naturally at home. Its main active compound, gingerol, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that helps soothe inflamed blood vessels and improve blood circulation, essential for keeping your arteries clear and healthy. In addition to these benefits, ginger also helps prevent the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of arterial blockages and protecting you from severe complications like heart attacks and strokes. How to use ginger? Drink ginger tea. Brew a warm cup daily, especially in the morning or evening, to promote better blood flow and warm your body. Add it to meals. Fresh ginger or ginger powder can easily be incorporated into soups, stews, stir fries, and even dipping sauces to add flavor and health benefits. Using ginger regularly not only helps to clean your arteries, but also enhances your overall health. It's a simple, accessible, and highly effective choice for anyone looking to maintain heart health and vitality. 4. How to clean arteries and eliminate bad cholesterol with cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a flavorful spice. It's also a superfood that plays a significant role in protecting heart health and helping to clean your arteries naturally at home. Its key ingredient, polyphenol, is a natural antioxidant that reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. This powerful combination helps clear your arteries and significantly lowers the risk of heart disease. Additionally, cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar levels, offering comprehensive benefits for cardiovascular health. How to use cinnamon? Add it to drinks. Mix cinnamon powder into tea, oatmeal, or smoothies to enhance flavor while gaining its heart health benefits. Use it in desserts. Sprinkle cinnamon on baked goods, coffee, or warm drinks for a fragrant, heart-healthy treat. Incorporating just a little cinnamon into your daily diet adds an extra layer of protection for your arteries and your heart. It's simple, convenient, and incredibly effective. 5. Red bell peppers and chili powder are more than just flavorful spices. They offer significant benefits for heart health, and can help clean your arteries naturally at home. The key component, capsaicin, is a natural compound that improves blood circulation, reduces bad cholesterol buildup, and dissolves fatty deposits in the blood. Capsaicin also lowers the risk of blood clots and prevents arterial blockages, keeping your heart and arteries healthy. Additionally, red bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects arteries from damage caused by free radicals, further supporting cardiovascular health. How to use red bell peppers. Add them to salads, stir-fries, or roasted dishes to boost flavor and nutrition. Chili powder. Season in soups, stews, or marinades to add a mild kick and stimulate blood circulation. General tips. Combine these spices. Incorporate turmeric, garlic, ginger, cinnamon, and peppers into your daily diet for maximum benefits. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management are essential for maintaining healthy arteries and a strong heart. Additional tips. Exercise 30 minutes a day. Activities like walking, jogging, cycling, or yoga not only improve blood circulation, but also help lower cholesterol and manage weight. Make it a daily habit to strengthen your heart and arteries. Regular health checkups. Perform lipid profile tests and heart screenings regularly to monitor your condition. Early detection of cholesterol or arterial issues allows for timely and effective interventions. By combining natural spices with consistent exercise and proactive health management, you can enjoy a healthier heart and a life full of vitality. Start today and take charge of your heart health. It's simple, effective, and life-changing. Keeping your arteries clear and your heart healthy doesn't have to be complicated when you use the power of natural spices like turmeric, garlic, ginger, cinnamon, and peppers. These ingredients help clean your arteries, lower cholesterol, improve blood circulation, and provide numerous benefits for your overall health. Remember, health is your most valuable asset. By incorporating these spices into your daily diet and maintaining a healthy, active lifestyle, you can protect your arteries and enjoy energy and vitality. Start today for a stronger heart and a happier life. If you found this information helpful, please share it to spread the value to others. Thank you for being with us.